Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Solarpunk game crashes at startup, not launching or won't launch issue, freezing problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, or black screen issue on Xbox consoles, whether you are playing the game on Xbox X series or S series. So here follow the fixes. Now first fix include step 1, 2, 3 and 4, and after following all the 4 steps you can check if your problem is solved or not. However, you can also check your problem is solved or not after following each step. So here we go. Now the first step is to make sure your Xbox is up to date. So go to Xbox settings, click on system, click on updates and make sure it is up to date. If it is not, then update it. Step 2 is to clear Solarpunk's cache files. So press Xbox guide button, click on my games and apps and then click on see all. Look for Solarpunk game and then highlight it and then press menu and then select manage game and add-ons. Click on save data reserve space and then click on clear reserve space. You will see that profile is deleted automatically. If not, then delete the profile. Make sure you click delete from console when deleting it. Step 3 is to clear persistent storage. So go to Xbox settings, go to devices and connections, Blu-ray, click on persistent storage and then click on clear persistent storage. Now if you don't see these features in your Xbox console, then skip this step. Step 4 is to clear alternate MAC address. So go to Xbox settings, go to general network settings, navigate to advanced settings, alternate MAC address and then click on clear and then restart your console. After following all 4 steps, now you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 2 is to remove and re-add account. So go to Xbox settings, go to account, remove accounts. Select the account that you want to remove, select the account in which you are having the problem and then select remove. Now add your account and after adding your account, launch the game and check. Fix 3 is to manually select port. So go to Xbox settings, in general tab select network settings, test network connection, advanced settings. Select the alternate port selection and then click on manual. Click on select port and choose a port that starts with 4 or 5. Continue. Now restart your console and then check if the problem is fixed or not. If not, then repeat the process and this time select the port one by one and see which one works for you. Fix 4 is to run Solarpunk from store instead of running the game from the Xbox home. To do this, type Solarpunk in the search bar and click on it and then click on launch game and check. Fix 5 is to change DNS server. So go to your Xbox settings, in general tab select network settings, advanced settings, go to DNS settings manual. Now in the primary DNS enter 8.8.8.8 and in secondary DNS enter 8.8.4.4 and then save it and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then repeat the process and this time in the primary DNS enter 1.1.1.1 and in secondary DNS enter 1.0.0.1 and then save it and then again relaunch the game and check. Now fix 6 is to reinstall Solarpunk. Now if nothing seems to work, then last solution is to uninstall Solarpunk from Xbox, then fresh reinstall it and then launch the game and check if it fixes your issue or not. So these are some of the fixes that you can try to fix Solarpunk game crashes at startup, not launching or won't launch issue, freezing problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, or black screen issue on Xbox consoles. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.